Hello everybody. So I just wanted to show you something real quick here. So in order to update it, you would go into your drive, or excuse me, upload it. You would go into your drive, choose whatever folder you're going to go ahead and upload the calendar to. Say I want to do it right here. You're going to right click, hit where it says Google Sheets, create and share. Now yours may not say share if you don't have the folder shared. But once you finish doing this, make sure that you do share it with whoever needs it. Alright, so once you're in here, you're going to hit File. You're going to hit Import. Up here, you're going to go to Upload. You can either go in here and find it, or if you have it handy, you can just drag and drop it in. Let it upload. Now this is going to pop up. Create new, insert new, or replace. I always hit replace. And then this bad boy is going to go ahead and load. Now once that loads, you can zoom out right up here. And once you zoom out, you're able to see it. Now one thing I would suggest to you guys is clicking right here and hitting duplicate. Because when you do that, at that point it is going to be the same exact format. So it'll save you time for the following months. And that is all.